Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class for 5th standard ICSE. Today we are going to continue the 5th unit, fraction. So let me go to the section now. Exercise 5.4 in page number 64, we have a fraction addition. So first thing, last class we read about the ordering of the fraction. Now same way you have to compare the number and do the addition. First thing is you have to check the denominator whether it is equal or not. Okay, here 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9, both the denominators are 9, so you can add the numerator alone. 2 plus 4, it is 6 by 9. If it is possible to reduce into smaller number, both the numerator and denominator by the same number, you can do it, otherwise keep it as it is. Okay, here 6 and 9 will come on the 3 table, so I can reduce it, that is I divide it by 3 by 3. The answer is 2 by 3. Next, second sum, third sum, fourth sum, similar sums, and the fourth sum is look at the question. 1 plus 6 plus 2 by 3. Both the denominators are different in number, so we need to go for the LCM. Write it in the rough column and do the LCM by factorization method or any method. 6 and 3 LCM, I found it out, it is 6. So I need to make the denominators both into 6. First number is 1 by 6. Already 6 is in the denominator. You can multiply with 1 by 1 the same number. And the second number is 2 by 3. To make 3 as a 6, you need to multiply 2. So you can multiply 2 by 3 by 2 by 2. So the answer is numerator 4, denominator 6. Now both the denominators are equal. Go with the addition. 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6 is equal to, add only the numerator, 1 plus 4, 5 by 6. Next one is a 5 by 8 plus 5 by 6. So here also denominators are different, 8 and 6. Write it in the rough column, find the LCM, which is 24. So first number 5 by 8, I need to make it into denominator 24. So 8 into 3 is 24. 8 3s are 24. So multiply the numerator also with the 3. 5 3s are 15. Now 8 by 5 equal to 5 by 15 by 24. Next number is 5 by 6. Multiply by 4 by 4. 6 4s are 24. Numerator 5 4s are 20. 5 by 6 equal to 20 by 24 now. Now both the denominators are equal, you can do the addition. 15 by 24 plus 20 by 24 equal to 35 by 24. Next one is a word problem. Amina bought 3 by 8 meters of a red ribbons and 1 by 2 meters of a blue ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon she bought? That's a question. So, which is given in the fraction, write the sentence. Solution. Fractions of a red ribbon bought is equal to 3 by 8 meter. Fraction of a blue ribbon bought is equal to 1 by 2 meter. They are asking in total, we need to do the addition. Total length is equal to 3 by 8 meter plus 1 by 2 meter. So both the denominators are different, we can make it into equal. So second number 1 by 2 meter, we can make it into 8 in the denominator, so multiply by 4 by 4. Now 3 by 8 meter plus 4 by 8 meter is equal to 7 by 8 meter. The answer is 7 by 8 meter. Second sum, Raj ate 1 by 2 apple while Vicky ate 3 by 4 of an apple. How many apples did they eat? So that's a question. Okay, fraction of Raj ate is equal to 1 by 2, which is the mixed fraction. You can make it into simple fraction. That is, write it in the rough column, children. Denominator and the whole number 1 into 2. You have to multiply plus the numerator 1. So 3 by 2. It was in mixed fraction. I make it into simple fraction now. Next fraction of apple, Vicky 8 is equal to 3 by 4. Now you can do the addition. Both the denominators are different. First you make it into equal fraction. Then the answer is 6 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equal to 9 by 4 apples. Third sum. Ali read 1 by 8 of a book on Monday, 1 by 4 on a Tuesday, and 1 by 2 on Wednesday. What fraction did he read during these 3 days? So, fraction of a book read on Monday is equal to 1 by 4. Fraction of a book read on Tuesday is equal to 1 by 4. Fraction of a book read on Wednesday is equal to 1 by 2. So, Monday 1 by 8, Tuesday 1 by 4, Wednesday 1 by 2. We need to add all the things. We will get the total number of pages he read. Okay. So, now see the denominators, everything is different. 8 to 4 to take it in the rough column and to do the LCM. So, all the denominators we can make it into 8. The first number already 8. The second number 1 by 4. You can multiply 2 by 2, make it 8. Third number is 1 by 2. You can multiply 4 by 4. You can make it 8. Now the answer is 1 by 8 plus 2 by 8 plus 4 by 8 equal to 7 by 8 of a book he read. Next exercise 5.5. So in page number 66, we have a find the difference. Similarly to our addition, we need to check the denominator, both it is equal or not. Otherwise, we need to take a LCM and make it into equal number. Then only we can do the subtraction. Here, first sum is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Both the denominators are equal. You can take only the numerator 3 minus 2. Do the subtraction 3 minus 2, 2. Denominator 4. So, if possible, we can reduce into smaller number. We can do it. Otherwise, keep it as it is. 2 and 4 will come in the 2 table. So, I will reduce it by 2 table. That is, the answer is 1 by 2. And the second sum is 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Here also, both the denominators are equal. You can write the denominator 8. Numerator alone you can subtract. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 by 8. 4 by 8 you can reduce into same table, means you can do it. Yes, it is by 4 table. 1 by 2 is the answer. And the third sum, similar one, go to the fourth sum. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Here 6 and 3 both the denominators are in different number. So write it in the rough column and make it as a LCM. Here LCM is 6. First number is 5 by 6. Already 6 is there in the denominator. Coming to the second number 1 by 3. You can make it into equivalent fraction with the 6 as a denominator. Multiply by 2 by 2. So, 5 by 6 minus 2 by 2 equal to 5 minus 2 by 6 equal to 3 by 6 is the answer. You can reduce it by 3 table. 1 by 2 is the answer. Coming to the sixth sum. Five by 6 minus 3 by 4. Both the denominators are different numbers, 6 and 4. You can write it in the rough column. Find the LCM. LCM is 12 now. So 5 by 6 can make it into 12 as a denominator, means multiply by 2 by 2. And 3 by 4 you can make it into denominator 12, means you can multiply by 3 by 3. Now we get 10 by 12 minus 6 by 12. You can subtract the numerator alone. 10 minus 6, it is 4, and the denominator is 12. 4 by 12 is the answer. You can reduce into smaller number by dividing 4 table. 1 by 3 is the answer now. So 7th and 8th sum is a homework sum for you. You can try it, children. Okay. The word problem. Andrew had 2 by 3 dozen eggs. he used 1 by 6 dozen eggs to bake a cake. What fraction of a dozen he was left with them? Okay, so fraction of egg Andrew had is 2 by 3 dozen. He used 1 by 6 dozens. The left x is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Both the denominators are different in number. You can write it a rough column and find the LCM. It is 6. So first number 2 by 3, you can make it into denominator 6 means multiply by 2 by 2. 4 by 6 minus 1 by 6 equal to 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 6 is 3 by 6. Both the number you can reduce into 3 table 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 dozen of eggs is the left with him. Second sum, there was a 4 liter of milk in a house on Sunday morning. At night 1 by 4 liter was left. How much milk was used? That's a question. Total quantity of milk is 4 liter. Fraction of milk left is 1 by 4 liter. The fraction of used, so you can do the subtraction. 4 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Make it into simple fraction. Multiply the whole number and the denominator. Add the numerator. That is 1 into 4, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 4. Now you can do the subtraction. 1 by 4. Make it into denominator 4 means you can multiply with 4 by 4. Next number is 16 by 4 minus 5 by 4. The answer is 11 by 4 liters. And the third sum is reel of a thread contains 21 by 2 meter of a thread. If Mr. Zen used 1 by 4 meter of a thread, how much is left? The solution is fraction of a thread is equal to 21 by 2. It's a mixed fraction. Make it into simple fraction. Multiply the whole number and the denominator. Add the numerator. That is 20 into 2, 40. 40 plus 1, 41. 41 by 2. Next fraction of a thread uses 4, 1 by 4. That is also mixed fraction. Make it into simple one. 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 1, 17 by 4 meter. Now you can do the subtraction. Now see the LCM. 2 and 4. So 4 is the LCM. You can multiply by 2 by 2 the first number. Now 82 by 4 minus 17 by 4, which is equal to 82 minus 17 by 4 equal to 65 by 4 meter. So that's it, children. Today's class is over. So when you want to do the addition and subtraction, only one thing you have to keep it in your mind. Both the numerators, both the denominators must be equal. If it is not equal, take the LCM and make it into equal fraction. Then you can do the addition or subtraction. The second point is only you have to do the addition and subtraction in the numerator. Don't do in the denominator. Denominator must be the same number. That's it, children. We'll see next class. Thank you, children.